In this video, we want to learn how to create a TikTok leads extractor software like this. So what the software does is that it helps you scan TikTok and gets you leads of anything that you want, maybe leads from America, from UK, business people, and all that you can now do business with. Now, once you extract this lead or phone number, let's assume that you extract email leads. All you need to do, you just put it in your bulk email sender and send emails to them for your businesses and all that. If it is phone, you can do the same. Then the leads too, you can now use it for your social media marketing, for adverts and all that. So all the leads that you extract, you can now put it to Facebook, to TikTok, adverts, ads manager account. There you can now target these users with their details on TikTok and all that. So let me first of all show us how you use this software before we build it with AI easily. Now, what I'll do here now is I'll just type a keyword here. So for instance, let's say I want to generate email addresses. Let's say I want to generate email addresses in USA. For instance, let's say I want to generate email address of, let me just say doctors. Are you getting it? And put a city in America. Let me just say California or something. Okay. So now it's going to go scan the entire TikTok server and get me leads of doctors who are on TikTok who resides in California. This is what I have done. So get me people who are doctors, of people who have visited doctors page in California, in USA. Now, this email leads now, once you get it, you can now put it in your Facebook advertising platform. Now, it will now target these users for you, or you just send them an email. So if you look at it now, these are their details, these are their email. If I click here, it will take me to their profile on TikTok. This is where it extracted their emails and everything. So you can see this is how the software works. So all these are leads. So you see, it will tell you it has visited 65 profiles, it has extracted 65 emails, and it has verified them. Are you getting it? So all I'll do now to check it here, I'll just click here on export as CSV. So this, it will now download everything. Or I can just click here as text. So if I click here now, that text is going to download this entire email leads now. So if you can see now, it has downloaded it. Yeah. So if I click on open, those are the email leads of everything that is at it has extracted for me, doctors and their contact on TikTok. You get it? So now do we create this software? Easily, what we do is that we have a master prompt. What the master prompt have done is that we've done everything that you see here. We've created them with all these logos, the name, the colors, everything. We've done them in HTML, in programming, whatever. So we've made all of them into what we call a master prompt. So what we do is that once you get a master prompt for us, you just copy and you paste. So what you do now, when you are now building it, you can now change the name, you can now change the color, the structure, add other things. You can now make it a paid software. Like this, I am using it personally. So anything I'm doing, I just create my own software and I use it for my businesses. So this is what I use to extract emails and like that. Okay. So that's how it works. So you now use the master prompt. So let me show you how the master prompt look like. So this is the master prompt. All I'll do here now is I'll just copy it. Once I copy it now, let me go back to this browser. We have AI website builder. There are several, many: Claude AI, Anti-Gravity, Google AI Studio, Lovable.dev, and all that. But yeah, for this video, for a beginner, I highly recommend you use Google AI Studio. So this one is actually free. The other ones will be asking you to buy credits when you start working on your software or your website. So yeah, now what I'll do is I'll just paste the code here. Once I paste the code here, I'll just click here on build. So automatically the AI builder now is now going to pick everything that I've told him to do in the master prompt to generate the site. Mind you, if you go to if you go to AI sites like ChatGPT and all that, and you ask them to generate prompts for you that you can now use, what AI will give you is rubbish. This master prompt that you are saying, we've put HTML, we've put PHP, we've put Python, several codes, we now embedded it and now create a master prompt. So if you just ask AI and generate a master prompt that we use to do XYZ, what it will generate for you, it will be strictly rubbish. So it is far better you join our AI software community where we'll teach you how to create this master prompt. And we'll now give you a ready-made master prompt, several master prompts that we use to create SaaS products, that is softwares like this one that you've just seen, the one that used to send bulk email, to extract bulk email, to get several kind of things that you can do using it. And this software too, you can now make it and sell it online, or you can offer it as a service where people can now come to your site and generate email leads directly from your site and all that. So how do you get this master prompt? All you need to do, in the description of this video, I'm going to paste it. So once I paste it, you see the software is actually running. So you now paste it. Once you paste it, automatically you now get it. So the link where you get when you join our community, on this community we share all our master prompts, both for web designing, both for softwares and all that. So you get all these master prompts to create professional, like for instance now this one, if you go to our blog touristschool.com, you'll see different posts that we've done. This is our blog that will teach you how to create flight sites, how to create Bitcoin investment website and all that, with all kind of SaaS. You can see this one, how to build email extractor, like that, using this master prompt. So everything would have been explained to you. So you can see now the software is ready. And all that. So from here now, I can now tweak it. So if you see now, this one has dashboard, this one has everything. It's more compact. I can decide to now remove them and make it to look like the basic one that I've done and all that. You get it. So the most important thing is, let me maximize this page and let me just test it. Are you seeing it? So yeah, now I can just say, maybe let me just do like dentist in Lagos. Okay. You can say dentist in Lagos and all that. So it's going to give me all the old dentists, their details, people who have visited their websites, people who have done business with them and all that, their leads. So it will generate them for you and all that. So you get it. So now in this prompt now, like just like what I've said now. So from here now, if you go here now, you can now come here and start customize it. So you can see now that it has generated leads for me in Lagos. All I'll do now is just to export it as CSV, text it, or I'll just clear all this. Are you getting it? Or I can visit each of the page and all that. Let me just clear this and explain some one or two on it. So if you can see it, so here is where you can now go. I can now decide to say, okay, change the color, change the name, remove this, add this and all that. So when you join our community, we'll now teach you how you now do all these advanced things you can now do. Convert it to full app, download it, upload it to your hosting account, upload it to your site and all that. Make it to be a real software that people can use, or a browser software that you can use like this. So like as I said, in order for you to get this master prompt is to join our AI software development community. So once you join that community, we'll give you this master prompt and several master prompts for free. Thank you.